Yeah, all right. I'm going to explain to you now on how to manage multiple worksheets. If you want to just use multiple worksheets, that is to manage a multiple worksheet, the only thing you have to do is to just make sure that you open your Microsoft Excel. After opening it, you can still go. Actually, you can still go to that. You can open another worksheet by taking your mouse to the file, open the file, then click on the new, then click on that. So it's still going to be the same that you have one in front and the other one is in the, this is the new one you just opened, the former one that I just opened before. Then when you started opening in Microsoft Excel in 2 3 4 form, it will be in a different worksheet. That, but if you want to manage your multiple worksheet, that will be in a one, that will just be one. You, all you have to do is to just what, just let me close that one. Just come to this place because I have this one, this one, and this sheet one and this sheet two. Now there's no way you can differentiate or know whether this one I'm just typing it, it is the same thing, or it's another worksheet. Let me just give this one a name. Let me type something on this sheet one here. Let me click on that of the axis, my axis, let it be on the A1. Then I will type, let me type demo file file 1. Now then let me bold it and increase the font to 14. And then now let me move to the other one, other place, with sheet 2. Now let me write something on it also. On A1, let me write demo file 2. Now let me align this one also. Let me bold it and let me increase the font to 14, or let me just increase this one to 24. To 18. Let me, that this one is a little bigger, then I can just increase the file to this here, that it will be able to contain it. Now this is demo file 2, and the other one is not as big as this one. So you just come to this place, so that this is the first sheet and this is the second sheet. Then after if added these two sheets, the best way of just having this one is at the by the side of each sheet. Immediately open it, it is always be sheet 1. It's always what, sheet 1. So what you have to do to just add, you just click on the addition here to get another one. This sheet 4 by naming sheet 5. So I can come to this place now and give it a name by double clicking. If I want to just give it a name, double click it, it will highlight it for you, it will help you to highlight. Then you type the name you want to put there, let's say demo 1. Then I come to this place also, I double click it to give it a name, demo 2. Then you click anywhere of the document. Now look at it now, this is demo 1. I've given it the name. So if you want it to be more, you want to add more to it, just continue clicking on this particular place. And if you want to remove, maybe it's too much when you are working, so you want to remove one of it, then all you have to do is to just come to this place, right click it. When you right click it, then you click on delete. It will delete one of the worksheet. So managing 2 3 4 worksheet, you can use to just do work in Microsoft Excel.